Hi everyone. Today we're gonna demonstrate the S20 series screen refurbishing. We have three different S20, S20 Plus, and S20 Ultra. So what I plan to do is one for the in-frame lamination using this guy 360 rotation machine. One to use it with that screen extractor machine, which is we already have Note 9 video for that, the same exact, but some people may want to see the different model. So we're gonna use that one. The other one, S20, we're gonna use this machine as well, and then we're gonna do auto frame lamination for that. So I'm gonna explain a little bit. Starting from the second video, the actual separation, we're gonna focus more into the left cameras. But now let's focus on the top camera. So I'll just place it right here in the middle. Very important, you don't want to touch on an OLED because you're gonna end up damaging, okay? And then, boom, that's it. See that? It's cracked. Too fast. See that? You make the cut like that, not too deep, okay? Okay, that's it. Okay, so we're gonna start the making a starting point. We already make a starting point. We're gonna use the Oka plastic shim to make a starting point for the wire, right? We use this machine. We pick up all the glass pieces with the plastic Oka shim. So I'm gonna cut it a little bit because it's too big. So now, see that? You're gonna pick up that glass pieces a little bit at a time. You can use just only 99% alcohol. Just pick up a little bit at a time. So like I said, since this is a tutorial training video, please don't skip, and then I will go really slow with the explanation. See that? You got a giant starting point for the wire. But I'll keep. So you don't really have to do this much, okay? But I just wanted to show you guys. So there's a wire technique is very important, especially this series. The polarizer is so thin, so just a little bit of the folds that can scratch us, the screen, the polarizer. So you don't want to give a lot of folds, okay? So now I'm gonna slide this cable under the or you can go on top, doesn't matter. So I'll go under so that, see that? So I got already, the wire already went in. So I don't give any force. Make sure you don't press down the wire at all. Don't press down the wire at all, okay? So now I'm gonna hold it like this. Okay, now we're gonna start the actual separating process again. So we're just gonna start with from this side, because if you start from this side, it has a big portion of this. So as you see earlier, we did test it, and it's still good. Not a problem. Hello, hello. Okay, make sure. So now we're gonna have to clean up the glue, right? So clean up the glue. If you use this, you have to be very careful. You don't want it to be like pointy it, and then the whole polarizer will be damaged because the polarizer is extremely thin. So some people, they are just really scared, so they just high heat and then they just rub it with their finger like that. See that? This is not very practical for if you do 520 screen a day. Your finger's gonna burn, but see that the glue is very easy to come off anyway. I just wanted to show you. You can get it done this way. Okay, we're gonna do the separation, OLED separation from the frame. So as you see, it's pretty good. No damage or no like damage to polarizer or anything like that. It's just a reflection. So we're gonna use this liquid, yeah. So first we're gonna have to slide it in between. If you want, you can use the alcohol like that, so that it will make that more easier to remove the OLED. Remember, you don't want to push it. You just cut. Okay, just a little bit at a time. Cut. Okay. Cut. If you see this kind of adhesive come off, you can just peel it off like that too. The corner. There you go. Okay. See, this is what I'm talking about. So this adhesive is holding. So you have to know this. It's not too strong as this, but it's still holding. So this right here, adhesive. This. Okay. And you don't want to touch in this area at all. So in the meantime, if it's still hot, then you can just roll it off. But I'm not gonna do this process on this high heat temperature. I do this process on only like 80, 90 max temperature. You can just roll it off like that. When it stay hot, it just came off. Or you can use this guy if you can do this. See that? It's easier, faster, okay? All different technique. So another technique is you're gonna remove this adhesive from the frame. If you think the frame is still good, in my case, the frame has a lot of dented at the corner. I'm not gonna use this frame, but I just want to show you guys, this is how you do it. You clean out all the adhesive first, major adhesive. with the ruler, spinning too. Okay, this is gonna be a lamination process, but I wanted to show something really quick, which is this right here. Polarizer are kind of a little bit damaged because of the way the acrylic glass is, but it shouldn't be a problem. It's on the black area, and then this right here is a little bit. Okay, that's about it. So, like I said, this process has to be done in the dust film, but we're gonna do this as a training purpose. We're gonna just do that, and we're gonna separate it again because we're gonna show you how you can separate it if you make a mistake. Like let's say if you end up with the bubble, or if you end up with the misalignment or stuff like that. So I'm gonna remove this OLED film first. Oh, is it damaging? Yeah, OLED kind of damaged a little bit here. Okay, that's a good thing. We're gonna use this one, and then we're gonna separate it again. Actually, this is 2-in-1 OLED, and not the we not manually install it. It's aftermarket glass, 2-in-1 OLED. See that it's not strong enough at all. So the way that you're gonna do is you're gonna lock it, the screen, this position, and then I can see it. So you're gonna just line it up with that camera hole. That is your alignment, the camera hole. Okay. Oh man. So I'm behind the camera, so it's a little bit hard for me to see it. Let's just say it's a good one, good alignment. And then don't let it touch yet to make sure that go all the way down. And then, okay. So you're gonna have to drop it down a little bit more. Oh, my bad. It's okay, I don't touch it yet. Hold on, let me just focus for myself first. Okay, this looks good to me, just a little bit. Okay, drop it all the way down, just like that. Okay, and that's it. Looks good to me. And then we're gonna use this machine. I keep using this machine because I'm doing R&D on this. Oh, my bad, my bad. I thought I should have video, but I forgot to hit on start. So I did a hands alignment for this one. So alignment's pretty good. I'll make another video for hands alignment. So this is after lamination. So we're gonna put it in the autoclave, okay? So this is the after lamination. It has a bubble. So we're gonna put it in the autoclave. This time I will use 10 minutes because just to be safe, okay? And then we're gonna come back after 10 minutes.